So today we're in a trial plot field and we're looking at a system that Carl has installed on a trial plot planter. So pre-GPS, what they would do is set up these canes out here every 6 metres up either side of the field. They would then drive from one cane across the field to the cane on the opposite side of the field to mark out where the seed plots are going to start and stop. They would then, the person on the seat would then keep a lookout for when they travel over the wheelings, and then we'll actually press a button to release the seed. So whereas now everything's done via automation basically. So Carl's installed the distance strip feet, John Deere distance strip on this planter. So every 6 metres it then triggers the planter to release a seed. So we're eliminating human error. It's a lot faster to set up when we first get to the field, and it reduces the overlap of each seed trial that's going on in the field. So yeah, system's using the new application controller. It's using the 6000 receivers running our RTK, so we get the accuracy in where the seeds dropped, and we also get the accuracy with the steering of the tractor. We've got a 4240 in the cab as well, which is quite nice. It's quite it's a small with 2 displays, so it fits in the cab quite nicely. So yeah, we're going to have a chat with Tom. He's going to tell us a little bit more about it. So Tom, why did you go for the system, or what was your interest in the system?
Well, I saw the system on your Instagram when you'd set it up with planting Christmas trees, and thought it would be ideal for positioning our plots on our plot drill. It'll make sure they're accurate. We know exactly where they've been located because we can pinpoint exactly where the plants or the seed was planted. Yeah. And so far it's working very well for us. And
so you set up to every 6 metres. Is it 6 metres?
Yeah, we can do 6 metres or 12 metres. We're doing 12 metres at the moment, and yeah, we can just change it very easily, very quickly, and it'll release the seed every 6 metres or 12
across the field.
Yeah.
And Carl installed it. Took a little bit of setting up in the field.
Yeah, but it gave us good support and came and stayed with us until we were happy with it.
Yeah.